It's a video of a Nissan 1400. It has a misfire. This system here, as you can see, it has a distributor which is over there, and then we've got the HT leads as well. So it's a very similar problem to what I explained this morning. So what we're going to do is start the car. Okay, so we can hear it's got a misfire. We're trying to determine which one has got the misfire. So we'll take off one plug lead at a time while it's idling. Hopefully it'll idle long enough to try and see which one has got the misfire. So we can hear the spark, but the misfire is not disappearing or changing. Okay, that one there is fine. That one there is fine. So we can see we've got a misfire, and then you can see the spark jumping there. So we know it's not the HT lead, but we know there's a misfire, so it's most likely a spark plug.